What's up, guys? Hi, YouTube. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 4 profitable, lucrative, high-income skills that any woman can be able to learn today and start making money. If you are a woman and you're looking for skills that can actually help you to make money today, guys, you are in the right video. I see a lot of women complain that they are broke. If you want to be making money, any cash, without anything holding you down, depending on your attitude to work, guys, you need to at least have one of these skills. I'm not asking you to have plenty of these. Just have only one skills, and this skills is actually going to help you. That data that you are using to download all the movies, watching all the shows, they are going to help you to move forward and be able to make money, because the goal is to be financially stable, guys. The goal is to be financially okay and be comfortable. Now let's dive into this video. The first skill that I am going to be telling you right now to go and learn, if you are a woman, even any other person, is to go and learn digital and online skills. Digital and online skills is the good deal today. A lot of people are learning these skills to be able to make money. And why can't you learn it? The only thing it takes is attitude to work. Some of us are even interested in some of these things, but how? You understand? You can do this. Digital skills are expertise that uses digital tools to be able to offer, services and solve some problems to their clients. This is one of the skills that is helping people right now to be able to make money for themselves. And this skills only requires you to use the internet to perform any of the tasks or the services that you need to offer. If you have internet connection or computer systems, they are actually going to help you to make good money to offer your services once you're able to learn all of the skills. Example of digital skills are internet marketing, we have blogging, we have copywriting, and we have writing. We also have app development, we have website design, you understand? We have website development, and we have data analytics and programming. You understand? Any of these skills are very, very good. You can even use it for yourself or you work for people. They are going to help you to make more money and go further in life if you are looking for something. Some of them might be, you might pay for some classes. Some of these skills requires you to, learn them. And you can learn them under 3 months or 6 months. All you need to do, if you don't have money, go and look for money and pay for some of these classes. And the next skills that you can acquire today is handwork skills. Do not underrate handwork skills. Some of us are even lucky to be able to learn handwork for free of charge. They are passed by our parents or our mothers or by our sisters or by our siblings. You understand? Handwork today is one of the grand deal, is a go today. A lot of people are using their handwork even after graduation to make money today. I must say that anything that you use your physical hands, use your physical labor, use your strength to do is handwork today, and you can make money. Now I'm going to be listing some of the handwork that are lucrative today. And when you start them or when you involve yourself and learn any of the things, you are never going to be broke. We have hair braiding and anything hair making handwork is good in this generation that we are today. And which other one? Makeup tutorials. You can go and learn hair tutorials and makeup tutorials, how to make up. They are making good money for people. You can go and learn. Just find a talent. Your talent is the easiest thing that can help you to learn one of the skills. And some of the skills are being even taught from homes. We learn them for free from our family members, from our mothers. They are being passed on from generation. So, and all you need to do is to monetize it and improve yourself and learn. Before you know it, when you put it out there, you are definitely going to make money with that. Good. Cooking is good. Baking and making pastries are the grand deal. Tailoring and fashion designing. You can also go into jewelry making and bead making. You can also go into crochet making. People use it to do bags, do some handworks, play with them. People use it to sew clothes as well. So you can actually put yourself into work and learn how to do some of these things. And the next skills that you can actually learn today is entrepreneurship. A lot of people don't know how to run business, so they actually need to go and learn some of these skills, register for some of these courses to be able to run and manage a business and even create products. this is one of the grand deals. If you're a business owner and you might be asking yourself, why do I always fail? It's because sometimes we don't have the skills that can help us to push. Businesses sometimes fail and businesses sometimes are to our own profits. So you need to have that confidence. You need to have that patience of running business and know what works and what doesn't work. So you can take some courses so that you can be able to learn. Learning is very, very good in, moving forward in entrepreneurship or skills, and learn how to target your audience, find customers, and know the hot selling products that can actually help you to own your own business and manage your own business. And the next one is soft skills. Soft skills are also very, very good. They are non-technical skills, just like digital skills. And example of it, people use them to communicate with people, like team leading, teamwork, communication skills, and intelligence skills, AI skills, and also digital creation, content creation. All of these are under soft skills. Any of these are going to help you to be able to make money, guys. If you're a woman and you are looking for skills that can actually help you to earn money, this skills doesn't take time. It only takes you up to 3 to 6 months for you to be able to learn all the skills and be able to make money. If you have the right attitude to work, these skills are going to help you to make money. And before you know it, guys, it's going to help you to make money. I see so many women, they are always online, they're watching all the shows, and they're all doing all the downloadables. Why not use that time that you are doing all of these things to be able to make money? At the end of the day, you still complain that you are broke. If you learn almost all these skills, pick one. Everybody has this talent that they can actually use to make good money. So pick any of these skills and use them, guys. They are going to help you to make money. If you have any question, put it on the comment section and make sure you like this video. If you enjoy watching my videos, guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.